Located on the elevated land surrounded by a picturesque reservoir stands a believed to be 1,000 years old mysterious edifice with a fusion of Hindu and Buddhist masterpiece. It's called Nalanda Gedike.
Only kisses passing by the river.
Located at the Matali district of Sri Lanka and is known as the center point of Sri Lanka. Before we proceed, this is for your awareness. I was doing my introduction at the entrance when this lady rudely interrupted me saying to delete the video as it's not allowed in the premises. I politely asked why since there's no any signboard that mentioned so, except that wedding photoshoots not allowed and leave slippers and shoes before entering. I also showed her some videos on YouTube to prove to her that if the videos are not allowed, how come it's spread on social media? I am shocked with her answer. They are Sri Lankan so they can do, but not for foreigners. What an answer! Other thing, she have no any identification for me to believe that she's a genuine person to believe. Why? Sadly, some people sees white skin as a money juicer. They will try to give you trouble such as things not allowed, but with some folds, they will let you do things that they said not allowed. Anyway, as I want to respect the rules if there is so, I went to meet the leader of the site and tried to get the correct information from him. I also told him what the lady just did. He told me that the girl is just a lady doing errand in the area. She's nobody, and it's normal for her to cause trouble. Then I concluded that she did that expecting me to seal her mouth with some cash. But sorry, not me. So if you visit this place, beware of this lady. Only follow rules written and told by someone in uniform and with proper identification. Now let's proceed. It's curious hybrid of Hindu and Buddhism architecture. For example, the richly decorated facade sections is believed to be South Indian design from the era of the Cholas and Pandyas. But the appearance of the god of wealth, Kubera, seated on the lotus plinth, is a feature only be found in Sri Lanka. Another interesting motif found in this Gedige is the erotic tantric carving, which depicts the sexual union of a lion and two men. This art is regarded as a part of Hindu tradition of treating kama, or sexual desire. Hence, assumed that this symbolism was embedded in the carvings of Nalanda Gedige under the strong South Indian influence. Gedige is known as the center point of Sri Lanka. However, the present location was not the original one. In 1980, the shrine was threatened by water of the newly constructed Buwateni tank. Therefore, dismantled stone by stone, moved and meticulously reconstructed high above the water, now with a magnificent backdrop of tree-clad hills surrounded by the reservoir. Amazing as it is, but Nalanda Gedige has been said that it is one of those fortunate places that have no history. The surprising no answer of why, when, what, and who built this masterpiece.
Yeah, remember all those times when you said that you'll be there. It's like your words magically disappear into thin air. And honestly, it's getting really hard to even care.
Alright guys, so I will be ending my day here again at Nalanda Gedige here in Sri Lanka. This is located somewhere in the middle of Dambulla in Matali district. Alright, so Sri Lanka is now open for tourists. You just have to cooperate with the tourism, Sri Lanka tourism, like, you know, even in your country, whichever country you want to go. And then yeah, if you want it easy for you to travel and visit the tourist destinations here in Sri Lanka, you can check out my the link in my description back below. You can inquire from ibisa.com. ibisa.com will help you in all your travel needs. It will make it all easy for you. Just pack your things and go. So please try to visit Sri Lanka. If you are in Sri Lanka, you will encounter a lot of people, but their nature is very beautiful. Like the experience that I have when I come inside here, I encountered one lady who's very mean. And I've been in a lot of archaeological sites in Sri Lanka. Even Sigiriya, they allow you, but there will be restrictions. But actually, you know what? On my walk around the area, I never seen any single note saying that videos and photos are not allowed. We are here to promote the tourism in Sri Lanka, to bring back the tourism in Sri Lanka, to let the people know how beautiful Sri Lanka is. So that don't get your trip be ruined by a single person. There are a lot more good person you can find in Sri Lanka, so avoid the bad one and just stick to the good people around. So anyway guys, that's Nalanda Gedige. So visit this guys, and again, yes, avoid bad people, stay with the good people. This is your Jan Walker again here. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
This is what I download and I said, go drown.